Gang, what time it is? Yo, Dan Muffin, I don't know what time it is, and I say, I go on, yeah, Dan, back in the lab, man, as you mean, I say, back with the reactions, back and fully active. You see, we are there, we there, the genocide boss, as you mean, I say, Masicka himself, for a new track, the one named Hill and Gully, he man, the genius. No, the one upon Hill and Gully, Riddim, he man, the genius, the one named Slip and Slide, as you mean, I say, right, check it out and see where the genocide boss I deal with. You don't know I clocks them out. You see me I say, I see a genocide boss I deal with the gang. You see me I want to provide much and go jump right in the chat, don't it? Masicka, the genius, slip and slide, let's get it.
I. I saw she slip, I saw she slide, oh. I make her push it inside, oh.
Yeah. Hold on, no man, no, that you do, Masicka, you taking it back to them vibes, there. Them vibes. Hold on, mama. What you do to the blood class CD? Mama, what you do to the blood class CD, them? No, man, back in the day, them thing I cause war, no, mama. What you do? I wash it, and you use the blood clean. The scotch part of the sponge. The scotch bread part of the... Mama, no, them CD, they don't good again, you know? How wicked this... Yo, them thing they cause war, you know? How what you do? But who go on? I wish you do. I know so you're clean CD, mama. I know so you're clean CD. You see me? Man, so nice. Hey, Spice, I go warrior, mama. We are doing a spice here. We are doing a spice here. You look good, though, mama. You're nice, melanated skin and stuff. Look how she nice. But Spice, I'll kill her for a year. I tell you from now, Spice, I go warrior.
I. I saw she slip, I saw she slide, oh. I make her push it inside.
Lord, clean. Yo, alright, Mr. I'm coming, I'm just a father. Go on, to.
Hey, what a girl can ride, oh. Yeah. Hey, what a girl can ride.
Yeah.
I saw she slip, I saw she slide, oh. I make me push it inside, yo.
Yeah.
One no wicked rider. Yeah. One no wicked rider.
Easy no man, blood clan. She dep on the young to ready for ride. Hey, how you try though? You try to give Black Rhino back a run for your money. Hey, go on, you.
I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside, yo. One no wicked rider. One no wicked rider.
Yeah, man, she want a wicked ride, man. Go on, you.
Money nothing on me, girl, me a provider. Buy your deal and buy the designer. Your waist just a tick like a...
Buckler, I say, money nothing on me a provider. Buy your the land, buy your the rider. Go on, you.
Designer. Your waist just a tick like a timer. Brace pan it stick, watch your style, yeah. I bring it, let me tell you, say you go online, yo. I want you there, you bring it, come me phone line, yo. Girl, you blessed with the good, I know. When you cock it up high, then you wine low.
Buckler, mama, me love that. Oh, you me? Hey. Alright. Jesus Christ, I love the reaction. These are fees. This is my thing, bro. I love doing this shit so much. Oh my god. Alright, go on to me, calm down. But I really something. Hey, I saw me say bad tune. I love music, you know. Jesus and peace. Yeah, this is naturally my reaction. I can't even help it. Sometimes I be trying to chill out and calm down, but this is natural music. Just make man feel and vibe. But yeah, fuck it. Real subscribers are really supposed to. You don't know anything, sir.
Bring it, come me phone line, yo. Girl, you blessed with the good, I know. When you cock it up high, then you wine low. I saw she slip, I saw she slide, yo. I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. I saw she slip, I saw she slide.
Masicka. I know you find one for the ladies, them. This fear mash up the dance, them. This a fear mash up the party, them. DJ, you know, listen now, yo, I go and listen, girl, them I go love the one, you go and
I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. She spread it out and she tick and she talk. You have the grip, girl, me call you back. She feel jazz and sip on my cock. Yeah, my God.
Shift it, mama, and sit down. Shift it and sit down, mama. I agree. 100 blood clot, 1,000,000,000%, billion, trillions, gazillion %. Shift it and sit down, girl. Right.
Rider, she spread it out and she tick and she talk. You have the grip, girl, me call you back. She feel jazz and sip on my cock. Yeah, my God, till your ball fi stop. Girl, you went up the place, beg you pass the map. Take your space now.
Pass him up. You have to clean up. Yes, there's a flood, a natural disaster. Hurricane Melissa can cause this. Hey, go on, you.
Yeah, me gone till your ball fi stop. Girl, you wet up the place, beg you pass the map. Take your space, no, no girl can't do that. When you catch on, you rap on the top on the drop. Good all, long time you hot and no flap.
Girl can't take your space, mama. Good all. For a long time. And you never flap out. Never after you no floppy disco. You feel flap, mama. After you no floppy disco, go on, you.
Alright, I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on.
Easy no man. Blood clean. Love that. 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 That not the only thing about that one there. Eh? Subs. Peeps. Only think about that one there. Cheese and peace. Let me know in the blood clay comment section. The genocide boss find it. Him find it. Yeah, man, and the girl them a go love for wine it. Yes, me and say, yes, man, I want to feel the girls them, man. The girls them go love the one they bad. Yes, man, I say if you come, man, you see me, we cater for the girls them. You see me, I say, bring back that old school dancehall vibes. Hill and Gully. You see me, I say, Hill and Gully. That's the John Kuno. That's the John Kuno, that's the Calypso, the John Kuno, the heritage back in the days. You see me? Yeah, you remember them thing there? Yeah, man, Soca, you have some Calypso, you have John Kuno, and where that one there, man? Yes, man, we dance our music all the way from. Yeah, taking it back to the roots. When you have the yes, man, this is the type of vibe dancehall has been missing. You see me, I said the fun part of dancehall, even though it's mostly geared to the ladies, but you don't know. Yeah, why I bring back to the days when the girls wind up with themselves and a man used to wind with them, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, man, I want to see more of this in the dancehall, man. You see me, I say, so bring up a genocide boss, man, doing things, man, I know, so ladies are all over the one day. You see me, it is a vibe. It is a vibe. It's giving you that authentic, fun energy that dancehall once been missing. You see me, I say, yes, man, it's a good look, man. So keep doing your thing, Masicka. You see me, I say, people know, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Let's talk about it, let's chop it up, discuss it. You see me, I say, gang. Till next time, you don't know it, boy. Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.